Althea Andrea. Since we are going to Sesame Place with VTN on YT, and this time, you are not coming with us. I need you to babysit Sarah West's little go anime kid.
Why? Dad. That little girl you told me to babysit is nothing but a white chick.
You do not ever talk to me like that. Also, have fun babysitting Sarah West's little go anime kid. And do not watch any Filipino TV shows, or any inappropriate videos. Got that?
Okay. Whatever. So, what would you like to watch?
I would like to watch Woody Woodpecker. The cartoons from 1940's Knock Knock to 1943's Ration Board are my favorites to watch on TV.
No. I am not going to watch any of the early Woody Woodpecker cartoons from the early 40s. Let's watch South Park instead. Because Woody Woodpecker is for little kids only.
But Althea Andrea, your dad said that you are not allowed to watch inappropriate videos. Wah 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 wah.
Stop it right now. You stupid piece of poopy idiot dumb gutter trash. I told you that the 1940 Woody Woodpecker is the worst cartoon character made by Walter Lantz ever.
Anyways, Althea Andrea, can we go see a little kids movie featuring Rice Star?
No. I am not taking you to see the piece of trash. That movie is so childish and annoying.
I want to go see it. 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 I want to go see it.
Okay, fine. You stupid 4-year-old baby.
Hooray. Let's go. Hooray. This is the best movie ever.
Never mind this piece of trash. I am going to watch The Hitman's Bodyguard.
No 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 no. Althea Andrea, please come back to see that little kids movie featuring Rice Star.
Oh my god. Where is Althea Andrea? I hope that she is not watching a movie that is either made in the Philippines, or rated R.
Yes. Althea Andrea snuck off to see The Hitman's Bodyguard instead of a little kids movie featuring Rice Star.
I hope Althea Andrea is not seeing The Hitman's Bodyguard. And she will be grounded for this.
You're in big trouble, Althea Andrea. How dare you watch Hitman's Bodyguard? That movie is rated R, and you're not allowed to watch rated R movies.
Your father is right, young lady. And you were supposed to watch a little kids movie featuring Rice Star with that little girl, but no. You have disobeyed us. That is completely it. You are grounded for the next 6 months.
This means no anything from the Philippines, no R-rated movies, no TV, no radio, no restaurants, no concerts, no sports events, no theme parks, and you'll not play any video games. Now go to your room and go to bed. And also, you are not coming with us to see Just Asleep when it comes out in theaters this November.